through, just a little further. Yeah, that's it. Fight back. Swing her off. And stop it. Another line over there. Oh, look, you got it.
Oh, yeah.
Look.
No, don't come out.
Don't come out.
No.
No, that was a bad move.
Yes, because they know he's struggling to stand up. They're not going to give it up. Where are the other elephants? For God's sake.
He's got some stamina. Look at that. I don't know, he's not smart.